Okay, so we're going to compute these two probabilities. These are conditional probabilities, as I said. Sensitivity is probability of predicting an observation as an event. Okay, so event being that it is a, in this particular example, ownership of riding mower, right? So here, this probability is, okay, you go back up here, within all the owners, okay, how many of them are getting predicted as owners? Within all the events, okay, how many are getting predicted as event? So that divided by that will give you, so this is a conditional probability, right? So that's our sensitivity. And then specificity is of all the non-events, how many are correctly predicted as non-event, which will be that divided by that. So that's again a conditional probability. So now we need the cutoff probabilities. So let's copy paste these here. Right. So those are the cutoff probabilities, and we want sensitivity is coming from there. Okay, specificity from here. And we can construct this with the formula. So 1 minus specificity will be 1 minus that, but we'll first set up the table. Okay. So for all these different cutoff points, we want go to data table, and then column input cell is okay. So now that's going to populate the table with all right. So and then 1 minus specificity okay, so now we want to plot sensitivity on the y-axis and 1 minus specificity on the x-axis. It's not the cutoff probabilities that we will be plotting. So highlight that and use Control key to highlight that column, and we have to use a scatter plot with joining the points, but it is plotting in the reverse. We will switch that in just a second. Okay, so select that. So now what it is doing is it is plotting 1 minus specificity here and sensitivity on the x-axis. So we switch column and row. Oh, I guess not. I don't know. And well, let's do it manually then. So that should be okay. So that should be the y-axis, and that should be the x-axis. and series name is sensitivity. Okay. All right. So, well, this is our ROC curve. Okay. Now let's format. So this is probability, so it has to go from 0 to 1, and there's too many decimal places. So let's change that to 1. Okay. And do the same thing for this axis. Go 0 to 1 and 1 decimal place. Okay, so that's good. Now what about the diagonal line? So we have to set up values for the diagonal line. So the first point is 0, 0. The last point is 1 and 1. So now we can add, okay, by going to design, so select the graph, design, select data, and you add. So here the x-axis values are these two, y-axis values are these two. So now we have the ROC curve. Alright, so let's do axis title. So this is 1 minus specificity. This is sensitivity.